Hi and welcome to another video tutorial brought to you by iSenseLabs in cooperation with OpenCart. Today we're talking about the length and weight classes in your OpenCart 3 store. You will learn how to add new classes and how to use them for defining the dimensions and weight of your products. Okay, so let's start. First, go to your OpenCart 3 admin and then go to Catalog. Open up the Products tab and select a product. Following, click Edit. Go to the Data tab and scroll to the bottom. Okay, so these are the fields you will be using for defining the product dimensions, weight, and the units you'll be using for that. In the Dimensions field, you'll define the length, width, and height of your product. In the length class field underneath, you select the unit of measurement. So here it's between inch, centimeter, millimeter, etc. Next, enter the product weight. Underneath, select the weight class as above. And here we have kilogram, gram, pound, etc. So that's how you use the length and width classes when managing your products. Now let's see where these classes are configured from. Go to System, Localization, and scroll down to the bottom. You will see the two separate menus for length and weight classes. Now let's start with the length class. Okay, there are three default entries: centimeter, inch, and millimeter. You can see their length unit and value. Now let's add a new one by clicking the Add New button. So we have a length title, unit, and value. For example, we'll enter foot as a new length class. The length unit is FT, and the value is 30.48, which is the number of centimeters in a single foot. Okay, click Save and that's it. Now let's move to weight classes. Again, you have some predefined values for gram, kilogram, ounce, and pound. Click Add New to create another class. The unit name will be liter and the unit is L with the value 1, which is equal to a kilogram. Okay, click Save and well, you're all done. The new class appears with the rest of them, and now you can go back to the Data tab in your product management to see the changes. You will see the new classes appearing in the drop-downs, where you can now use them for defining the weight and dimensions of your product. Okay, well, that's about it. If you have any questions, we'll be more than happy to answer them in the comments below. And by the way, hit that like button if the video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more OpenCart 3 tutorials. Thanks for watching.